New data shows vaccination rates are down. According to the CDC, just 17% of adults and 8% of kids received the latest COVID shot. Only 16% of seniors have gotten the new RSV vaccine, and 7 million fewer adults got their flu shot compared to last year. Those low rates, coupled with an increase in viruses heading into the holiday season, has the CDC warning about stressed out healthcare systems and more severe disease. Gordon Severson's here now with some advice on how to stay healthy and prepare for when someone does get sick while you're traveling. Gordon?
Yeah, there is nothing worse than being sick over the holidays. You spend all that time preparing, buying the gifts, doing the wrapping, only to get sick and not be able to enjoy it. Doctors say there are a few things you can do now to hopefully give you a happy and healthy holiday.
Whether it's by air or by car, AAA expects more than 115 million Americans will travel at least 50 miles over the holidays. It's a 2.2% jump over last year. And if you're one of them, the last thing you want is to be sick away from home.
Absolutely. Doing some contingency planning in advance before it's a critical time.
Dr. Beth Thielen is an infectious disease physician at mHealth Fairview. She recommends checking your insurance coverage now before you leave home.
Investigating with your insurance carrier, what would it look like if I got care in another state? What would be in network? Because I've definitely heard of patients coming back with really surprise large bills for out-of-network care when they've sought medical care while traveling.
And have a backup plan. Thielen says a lot of hospitals and clinics are short-staffed, especially over the holidays. To avoid waiting hours in line, she recommends making a list so you have options if someone in your family gets sick. Also consider virtual appointments and telehealth services to avoid going into a clinic altogether.
I always tell people bring any medications that you take at a regular basis. Make sure you take plenty of a supply with you, including enough to cover you for any additional time.
Thielen says it's not too late to boost your immune system before the holidays. She says the flu and COVID vaccines usually take 2 weeks to reach full effect. We're now 10 days from Christmas, but that should be enough time to give your body at least some protection.
People should be assured if they get their vaccine today that they should have quite a bit of protection heading into the holiday season.
And when it comes to food at your holiday party, think about germs. Avoid those large bowls where people can dig in with their hands. And doctors say putting out a bottle or two of hand sanitizer might be a good idea so people can easily clean their hands before they start eating. Lauren, back to you.
All right, some good things to think about, Gordon. Thank you.